Nobody likes feeling exhausted all the time. A lack of stamina and energy can hinder your ability to work and concentrate, leading to a stressful life. Low energy levels can be caused by a series of lifestyle factors. These include a sedentary life, dehydration, unhealthy eating habits like excess intake of caffeine or alcohol, too much stress, and too little sleep. Health problems can also cause low stamina and a lack of energy. These include the common cold, allergies, thyroid problems, obesity, and diabetes. If you are feeling worn out all the time, that is a matter of concern and you should get diagnosed by a professional. If you do not have a serious medical problem but still feel like you are running on empty most of the time, a few lifestyle changes can renew your energy levels. Here are our top 5 remedies to increase stamina and energy. Turmeric. Curcumin, found in turmeric, features many health benefits. You can see them all by clicking on our video 10 turmeric health benefits. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric help diminish exhaustion and restore energy levels. It also helps with muscle repair, reducing recovery time and increasing performance. You can take a turmeric supplement daily or make some turmeric milk at home. To do this, you will need to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric to a glass of boiling milk. Let it simmer for 5 minutes, then pour it into a glass and sweeten it with some honey. Eat magnesium-rich foods. Magnesium plays a key role in breaking down glucose and converting it into energy. This is why even a slight magnesium deficiency can affect your energy and stamina. The recommended daily dosage of magnesium is between 200 and 400 milligrams. You can get your daily amount of magnesium from foods like nuts, seeds, fish, avocado, leafy greens, and bananas. Drink green tea. Polyphenols in green tea help fight fatigue, reducing stress and promoting a better sleep quality. Regular intake of green tea can also boost exercise performance. Drinking a warm cup of green tea in the morning will help you feel more awake and ready to take on the day. To make the perfect cup of green tea, add 1 teaspoon, about 5 grams, of green tea leaves to a cup of warm water. The perfect temperature at which to steep green tea is 80 degrees Celsius. Steep the tea for 2 to 3 minutes. A higher temperature or a longer steeping period will make the tea become slightly bitter. Try drinking 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily and your future self is going to be thankful. Hydrate. Our bodies are made out of up to 65% water. When the body is deprived of water for longer periods of time, we tend to feel weaker and tired. Staying well hydrated throughout the day can keep your energy levels high. Water also fights muscle fatigue, so it is important to drink enough while exercising. Soups, stews, and teas help you stay hydrated, while alcohol and caffeine lead to dehydration. Stay active. It may sound weird, but being physically active will increase your energy. You do not need to go to the gym every day or do cardio for an hour. A simple walking session can do wonders for your energy. Walking increases lung capacity, improves digestion, and helps the body remove toxins easier. Swimming or cycling are great alternatives to walking, also helping boost stamina. You can also practice deep breathing on a daily basis. You can do this lying in your bed at night to improve sleep quality. Lie comfortable with your eyes closed and relax your muscles. Breathe deeply through your nose for a 4 count. Next, breathe slowly through your mouth for an 8 count. Repeat 10 times. You can play with the length of time you breathe in and out, depending on your comfort levels. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more natural home remedies, click subscribe.